So hey guys, it's Lucid Flow back with my 7th C# tutorial. In this tutorial we will be learning about arrays. Arrays are a way to store multiple strings or ints in one variable. To start, let's make a button. After that, double click the button and then wait for the code to show up. When you have done that, type in string and then a bracket equals new string and then more brackets, and then after that curly brackets, and then let's make the first array of the first string say 1. Then to separate them you put commas, then 2, and then 3. So after that, oh wait, sorry, I forgot to make a name for this. So I'm gonna name it array1. So now let's say we want to get the value of one of these numbers or strings. To do this, to do this, you can type in button 1 dot text is equal to, then array 1, then curly brackets. In the array, put the number, so this would not be 1 because it starts counting at 0, so put 0 if you want the button's text to be 1. Wait, I'll just change this to make it more easy. So 0, 1, and then 2. Because in code, it always starts counting from 0. So now when we start this code and click the button, it should say 0. Okay, so there. And I'll just show that writing 1 will say 1 just to prove that works. So now it says 1. Let's say we want to change the value of one of these values in the array. To do this, type in array 1 and then brackets and the number you want to change. So let's change 2 and make it equal to, hello. So now when we change this to 2, it should say hello. And there. You could do the same thing for ints, and I'll give an example here. So I'll make a new array, so int brackets, and then name it int array1 is equal to new int brackets, and then squiggly brackets, and let's put 1. I'll start at 0 again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think arrays are very useful when declaring a bunch of numbers. So now I'll just copy this and change this to int array. So now we also have to change the array to a string because it cannot, the button cannot be a int. So to string. So now when we start this and click, it should say 2. So there you go. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.